Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I don't make many haul videos anymore the last couple of years, but I came across a collection that I purchased that I wanted to share because I thought it was super special. So let me share with you what I purchased. This is from Scrapbook.com. So first up was these items that were free. You know how Scrapbook.com does it. They offer free items a lot of times. Sometimes I don't choose the free items because it makes my shipping go up. But this time around, I got them all. So first up was this Deco Foil Toner Mix Card Kit. So it has some sweet little sentiments here. And then it has some designs, some pumpkin designs for you to run through with your pretty foil paper. So you can make the pumpkins any color that you want. And so you get that. And then I also was able to pick up these colored pencils. These are by Spectrum Noir, and it's 12 pencils, and it's the Bright and Vivid collection. So these are the colors. Very pretty, very pretty. And then also, I was able to pick up the Spectrum Noir metallic pen markers, and so they're the ones with a ball in them, and it's 0.7 millimeter, 3 millimeter, and 4 millimeter. So I'm assuming that these are the pens that you press down until you activate the ink. And this is the Autumn Bronze color. Excited about those. And then also I picked up this cute little Scrapbook.com stamps, and it says, I hope you have a rawsome day with a little, creature. Craft Monster is what it's called by Scrapbook.com. So these are the freebies. So quite a few freebies, and it didn't raise the shipping too much. So I was excited about that. So here's the collection. This is by Carte, and it's the Honeybee collection. Now, I saw a YouTuber share this collection on her channel. I am sorry, but I don't remember which YouTube channel it was, and I apologize for that. But when I saw it, I was just like, wow, that's really pretty. Let me check it out. So I went over to scrapbook.com and picked up a few pieces. So let me share. First up is this washi tape, and it's 30 feet of washi tape. I've never really paid attention as to whether the packaging tell you how much washi tape is. But for me, it'll be probably 25 feet that I'll never use. But this is really pretty though. I may be excited to use this washi, but I picked it up, so we'll see. And then I also got the 6x6 designer stencil, and it has beads everywhere. So I thought this would be super cute if you use some type of medium that would raise the beads up, some gel, or I have to see what I have in my stash that I can utilize this stencil. And I know you can use ink, but I just thought they would look really awesome, kind of dimensional. And then I picked up the chipboard accent pieces. It doesn't say how many you get, but it's quite a few. But really pretty. I love the muted color. It's kind of has a antique-y look, and I hope you're able to see everything. I really like the little flags below, and this really pretty floral. I like it all. Super pretty. And then I picked up a couple of sheets of the element stickers, and I figured that one sheet I'll probably use in my planner. I don't know which month would be a good month for bees. What's a good month for bees? Spring? I'm not sure, but I love it. And, I'll stick all of these in my planner. Love this. And then the other sheet I can use for card making. Then I picked up the 6x6 paper pad. I normally don't pick up a larger paper pad, maybe 6x8 sometimes, but this is perfect for me. And it's double-sided, and it has 24 designs. Super pretty. Let me share with you real quick. So you have the florals and the bees. And then on the back side, you have that kind of like a rough wall look. Cut aparts. And this is kind of unique with the strips and then a few cut aparts. And then the little bees look like they're marching to war. And then the bees look like they're swarming. They're trying to get you. Super cute. And this design, it's like a honeycomb with some flourishes, really pretty. I think this is my favorite sheet out of the whole pad, and it's this ledger with the corner designs. And for me, I would have to cut this to fit on an A2 card, but super pretty. And then you have the lattice sheet, and the black is not like a strong solid black, but it is black. And then cut aparts. And I can't remember what the part at the top is called. Let me know below if you know what the branding strip. I'm not sure, but even those are pretty. And then we have this design. It seems like I've seen this design in another paper pad. I'm not sure though, but it looks very familiar. And then we have the bees all trying to get in the house at the same time, trying to get to their queen. And then this really pretty geometric design. Love that. And then the bees with a little bit of the honeycomb. And then the honeycomb, we've seen this in majority of the bee design papers, or, you know, they always have a honeycomb page. But this is pretty cut aparts. I like this one because you can stamp your own sentiment. Really pretty. And then here's one with florals and the little honeycombs and bees. And then all the little like stamps. I really like that page too. I like a lot of this. And then here's this dark black with the cream color design. And then this one is more of the little sunflowers or the florals with the little bees flying around. And this probably is my least favorite page. And then with this design, it's pretty dark, but that can be okay sometimes because I do like this cut apart. So there you go. I like this sweet as honey. You're the bee's knees. That's an old-timey saying. Then we have the bees with some flowers again. And then the bees overrun with flowers. And then this last page, which is bees like in little circles, which is super cute. And then we start over. So once again, this is the Carte Honeybee collection from Scrapbook.com. It's where I purchased it. So check it out if you're interested in the bee paper, which I know so many of us are. So thanks for watching the video. But as a surprise, this is a hidden giveaway video. So if you are in the US and at least 18 years old, you can enter. And the way you enter is you put the comment just B, B-E-E in the comments below. And I'll be pulling a winner for these colored pencils by Spectrum Noir, the bright and vivid colored. Also the Deco Foil Toner Mix Card Kit. And then also the little Scrapbook.com Craft Monster. So if you're interested in winning these, just put B in your comment below. And I'll pull a winner next week. And good luck to everyone. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.